Hello everyone, hope you are staying at home and taking care of you and your family in this lockdown period. Today I am here to give you demonstration how to attempt a quiz on my Moodle site. As I already declared that we are going to conduct online quiz on my Moodle site on 25th of April 2020. So as you all are new for Moodle platform of teaching and learning, so I will give you direction how to attempt quiz using my Moodle site. So what you have to do, you have to just open Google Chrome browser of your Android mobile phone or any other browser that you have installed in your mobile phone. So and on search bar you have to enter the name of my Moodle site, that is pmcame1.moodlecloud.com. you have to open this site and you have to add your login credential. For demonstration purpose I am adding login credential of one of the student, let's say Tejaswini. So after adding your login credential, that is username and password, you have to click on login, and once you logged into my Moodle site, as usual you will click on BSc 4th semester. Okay, after logged into my Moodle site, you will see this BSc 4th semester. So click on BSc 4th semester, and here you can see quiz competition on coordination chemistry. Quiz competition on coordination chemistry, click over here. Okay. So on 25th April you will see this content displayed here, and there will be attempt quiz now. This attempt quiz now will be shown at sharp 3 p.m. At sharp 3 p.m. you will see attempt quiz now, and before 3 p.m. this quiz will not be available for you people. So once there is a 3 o'clock, then there will be attempt quiz now. You have to click on attempt quiz now, and after clicking you have to click on start attempt. Start attempt. So the first question is in front of you. First question is given. Read the question carefully and select any one, that is the correct answer of the given choices. So the question is given, coordination compound are also called. So let us I will select this option, and after that you have to go for next page. Means you have answered the first question. Now you have to switch toward the next question. Next question will be in another page. This is second question. This is question number 2. You not 8 answered, and marks is given 1. Now coordination compound are also called double salt. You have to select whether this statement is true or false. So this is most correct answer. Again you have to go for next question. Likewise you have to, after attempting each and every question, you have to press on next page. This is match the pair, match the correct pairs. So this is what I am matching the pair here, and so now I have answered all 3 questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Only 3 questions are given here for demonstration purpose. Okay, for you people there will be 20 questions. 1 to 20 questions will be there. You have to attempt all the 20 questions, and after 20 questions, 20th question, you will find the tab finish attempt. After attempting the last, that is 20th question, you will click on finished attempt, and once you clicked on finished attempt, you have to click on submit all and finish. submit all and finish. This is very important step, guys. Keep in mind, you have to click on submit all and finish. It means that you solved all the questions, you attempted all the questions. Now you have to submit and finish this quiz. Again, they will ask that submit all and finish. You have to click on this tab. Now see, these are the questions you had attempted. This quiz is finished. These are the questions you attempted. The correct answer will be given. Correct answer will be given and score will also be given here. See, there was 3 questions, so all 3 questions are correct. The answer of first question, answer is given, correct answer is given. For every questions, correct answer will be displayed. So in this way, you have to attempt quiz on my Moodle site, which will be held on 25th of April 2020. So hope you will attempt this quiz. Keep in mind, this quiz is very interesting, guys. You have to attempt the quiz by preparing the content. Study material is available with you. I taught you this coordination chemistry in our regular classes, and thank you very much.